The Philips CX30 is a mid-range portable ultrasound that competes with the GE Logic E and I, Vivid E and I, and the Mindray M7. Any doctor looking for top-of-the-line image quality at a mid-range price and that doesn't need 4D should consider the CX30. The CX30's hardware. The CX30 is a newly released, lower-cost version of the Philips CX50, the portable system with the absolute best image quality now in the market. The CX30 preserves many of the same features that make the CX50 great, while saving cost by using a less expensive set of probes. On the exterior, the CX30 uses an efficient laptop-style design and a large, comfortable handle. On the sides and back of the CX30 is a single probe port, USB, Ethernet, and power cable plugs. The backlit keyboard and trackball layout is identical to the CX50, with only cosmetic differences in the colors. In other words, the user interface is top-notch and feels weighty and well-made without weighing a lot. The CX30's software. The CX30 uses a simple screen layout with soft keys on the bottom that allow for contextual buttons to appear as needed based upon the studies being performed. The CX30 comes in either OB vascular or a cardiovascular configuration, but MSK, urology, and general imaging calculation packages are also available. One huge benefit for cardiac and vascular imaging is the inclusion of the powerful Qlab package of analytics and measurements on board the CX30. Qlab can be accessed on saved images, and IMT, ROI, TMQ, SQ, MVI, and 3DQ can then be performed. Probe selection. The CX30 offers the C62 convex probe, the C94V endovaginal probe, the L124 linear probe, and the S42 cardiac sector probe, as well as 2 pencil probe options. An optional cart with 3 probe connectors allows for less probe swapping in stationary environments. A standard cart without the probe connector is also available. Clinical images from the CX30. Our sonographer took the following images with the CX30. We compare each CX30 scan side by side with scans made on the exact same patient, but with the GE Logic E. Same patient, same scans, but by 2 different systems. The CX30 compared to the competition. The CX30 offers excellent vascular and MSK imaging with its linear probe. Compared to the well-known and older Logic E and I, the CX30 is slightly larger and heavier, but provides much better image quality and deeper cardiovascular functions. High-powered processors and Qlab make the CX30 better than even the Vivid E and I in cardiac and vascular imaging. Importantly, the CX30 feels fast compared to the Logic and Vivid machines because it uses faster processors, which means the image refreshes quicker and measurements and processing run much faster. Compared to the Mindray M7, the CX30 feels higher quality and has a much easier to use software interface. The CX30's image quality is superior to the M7, but does not offer 4D nor as many probe options. The CX30's price is in between the lower cost M7 and the more expensive Logic E and I and Vivid E and I.